there's a new task on the PAWS, and this is called a mystery quest. So if you're able to complete this task, you are going to get 7,000 PAWS. Okay, so how do you solve this mystery quest so as to get the 7,000 PAWS? Okay, and if you are not participating on the PAWS, check to the video description or better to the comment section. I've pinned the link there. Just tap on the link, then you'll be directed to Telegram and you also participate. And on 30th of December, they are going to do the TG and also the listing, so that you also get free tokens from the PAWS. Okay, so when you go to the PAWS account on Telegram, you navigate to the earning session. You see limited, in-game, and partners. So you click on the limited, then you see the mystery quest, of which you get the 7,000 PAWS. Okay, so what you have to do is that you just drag the phone screen downwards. Okay, you drag the phone screen downwards. Here, if your screen's touch sensitive is very high, you can just drag it with just one hand, then you'll be dragging downwards. Okay, but if your screen's touch sensitive is not as faster as it is, you use your two fingers to drag the PAWS account down whilst you are at the end session. Okay, you drag it down until you see 3 PAWS. Okay, so this is the first PAWS I've seen it. Then I go to the second PAWS. You keep dragging until you see the last PAWS, which is at the last section of the screen when you scroll or drag it down. Okay, so you see the second PAWS here, then the third PAWS, as simple as that. So after completing this task, then you release your finger, then you just click on the claim to claim your mystery quest. Okay, so this is the step-by-step guide on how you can complete this mystery quest on PAWS so as to get the free 7,000 PAWS. Okay, here's the talk tech, and if you like watching content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video concerning airdrops, you are going to get it. Like this video, so do not forget to share the video with your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here's the talk tech, and we shall meet again in the next video. Greetings once again.